The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States Health and Human Services. This is an administrative message to the City of Richmond. The United States Health and Human Services discovered a new virus. The virus is named FnF 674. We don't know much about it since it was just discovered minutes ago. Normal programming may now resume at this
civil emergency message for the entire city of Richmond until further notice. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Richmond Police Department. Multiple reports of people getting infected by FnF -674. They also have been acting like those FnF characters. Symptoms of the virus are headache, nausea, speaking beat boot bob, can now speak by only singing, increased strength and speed, heart turning different colors every time. Some reports say that people were acting violent towards others who are not infected. All residents of Richmond must stay inside at this time. Wear a mask if traveling. Failure to comply with these laws may consider an arrest or death. Stay for more information.
Since
Civil danger warning for New York City until further notice. The following message is transmitted at the request of the New York City National Guard. FnF 674 has spread to New York. People who were infected were seen breaking into houses and killing the people who weren't infected. So far, all attempts of taking down the infected have failed. All residents of New York must seek shelter in a underground shelter or lock yourself in a closet, if possible. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. FnF -674 has spread to the northeastern United States. Some really disturbing reports have come in. People were seen getting their organs ripped apart and replaced with FnF organs, as well as people singing until they die. Federal Emergency Management Agency is having great trouble dealing with the infected. All residents of the northeastern United States must seek an underground shelter now. Stay tuned for more information.
This is an emergency action notification requested by the White House. All EAS participants will follow activation procedures in the EAS Operating Handbook for a national level emergency. The President of the United States, or one of his representatives, will shortly deliver a message over the emergency alert system. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by.
We interrupt our regular programming. This is a national emergency. Important details will follow.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. FnF 674 has spread all over the United States. Reports of people who were infected were also in the United States. They are almost immune to every bullet, since they have plot armor. So far, all attempts have failed. All residents of the United States must seek an underground shelter immediately. Bring food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a first aid kit and a radio. Stay tuned for more information on this catastrophic and life-threatening situation.
This is an emergency action notification requested by the White House. All EAS participants will follow activation procedures in the EAS Operating Handbook for a national level emergency. The President of the United States, or one of his representatives, will shortly deliver a message over the emergency alert system. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by.
We interrupt our regular programming. This is a global emergency. Important details will follow.
President of the United States or his designated representative will be speaking on all radio and TV stations shortly. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by.
My fellow Americans, this is a cringe, horrifying and catastrophic situation for the entirety of the planet. A virus named FNF 674 has spreaded through the entire planet. The infected FNF-like people were also reported across the entire planet. Government collapses are occurring as the number of world leaders are decreasing rapidly, and the infected have run over cities and armies all across the planet. All attempts of exterminations these creatures have failed, as they are resistant to all weapons. The only thing to survive is stay in an underground shelter for 3 to 4 years. This is me, signing off.
That was a message from the President. We now return to the emergency alert system. This concludes all operations under the emergency alert system. However, normal programming will be discontinued until this situation is over. Stay tuned for more information.
Okay. I need to keep my damn cool. Even though I hate FNF, I did not expect this.
Bye.
What the hell was that? Oh God, one of them found me. No, get away from me, somebody help. Please.
This is a global emergency. Important details will follow.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. A global state of emergency has been declared. The infected people, gave over on humanity, and the virus, has spread it into every single country in the world, and reported attacks too. There is nothing humanity can do to stop this catastrophic event. All people of planet Earth must gather friends and family, and brace for the end. Do anything that makes you happy. All laws are extinguished. If you don't want to die by the infected or the virus, commit suicide immediately. This is the only way out of it. This station will sign off for the final time with one last playing of the national anthem. May God help us all.